All right. Well, surprises never end on the farm. Surprises never end on the farm. Waiting to see if anybody wants to pop in here and check this out. But I'm going to go ahead and move over here. Now, remember I showed you the MAGA chicken and it laid these massive eggs like that? Well, I mean, really, those were goose eggs. And the goose wouldn't sit on them. So she just laid 15 or 20 of these eggs over a period of like 6 weeks. And now we've got a chicken that's set on those eggs. And by golly, we have a new baby goose today. Yes, we do. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Well, I'll keep you updated, but I just thought that was a really cool deal. Hi, little goose. Chicken just thinks it's his, you know, hers. Goodness. Anyway, God is good, full of creation, hey?